In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover lost Figma files by archiving or restoring previous files using version history. If you've ever experienced the panic of losing critical design files, you'll know how important it is to have a straightforward recovery plan. So let's dive right into it and get those files back. First, we need to navigate to Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool known for its real-time collaboration features. You can easily access Figma by visiting their official website. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and input your details to proceed. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to sign up and create an account first before logging in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to Figma's home screen. Here you'll see options for your recent projects, teams, and more. Look out for an option labeled Trash. This is where Figma keeps recently deleted files, giving you a window of opportunity to restore them before they're permanently removed. Click on the Trash section. Inside the trash, you'll see a list of files and projects that you've deleted, along with options to either restore them or permanently delete them. Browse through the list to find the file you wish to recover. When you've located it, click on the Restore button. Figma will then move the file back to its original location, allowing you to access and continue your work as if it never left. Now, let's say your file isn't there, or maybe you're looking to roll back to a previous version of a design. In this case, you'll want to take advantage of Figma's powerful version history feature. Navigate back to your home screen, locate the project, and open the file you're interested in. Within your Figma design file, you'll see a title bar with different options. Look for the drop down that says File at the top left corner, and then navigate to the version history option. The version history pane will open on the right side of your screen, displaying a timeline of all past edits and versions. Browse through these records to find the version you want to revert to. After selecting the desired version, click on the option to either view or restore it. By doing this, you're not only bringing back the design file to its previous state, but you also ensure that all your collaborative efforts are preserved and accessible. And that's it! By following these steps, you now have a reliable method to either restore lost files from the trash or revert to older versions through Figma's version history. It's always good to make a habit of leveraging these features, ensuring that your design work is safe and efficiently managed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.